Welcome to FM Driving School. Some call me the professor of driving. We're not here to rob a bank, but what I can give you is something more valuable than money, and that is time. We've compressed everything you need to know about driving into 1-minute video clips. We'll give you tips on driving, how to pass your driving test, what the examiner looks out for, how you should be driving. Don't forget to show some love, like it, share it, and subscribe. Let's get straight into it. Just going to turn left here at this roundabout, check my mirrors, indicate interior left, go down to gear 2, it looks clear, yeah, and turn, quite narrow road, scan far ahead, no one's coming, and we're still in gear 2, the road's going uphill, so we're going to have to consider do we need to go to gear 1, for now not yet. Check my left mirror and move across slightly, check my right mirror, there's a car and a cyclist. We're turning right at this road, interior right, indicate right, 20 miles an hour still. Double check the right mirror, no one's coming, look into the road. Hot cars on the left, so we're gonna have to slightly swing into the middle slightly here and carry on. Still 20, up to gear 3, check your mirrors. So from that clip, I want you to realize I did the mirrors signal maneuver routine. As I turned left, the road was quite narrow and it was going uphill. There was cars on both sides of the road, so I had to maintain the correct gear, which was gear 2 at that situation. Then when I turned it right into the next road, there was cars on the left of it, so I have to swing out slightly to the middle, checking my right mirror, swinging out. So my road positioning was superb. I had to make sure I was in the correct position, even if that meant being slightly in the middle of the road, and also I was in the correct gear, bearing in mind the road was going uphill and it was really narrow. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed that, like it, share it, subscribe. Don't forget, show some love. Take care. Good luck in your driving.